In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully request a refund for your TradingView subscription. This quick and informative guide will walk you through everything you need to know to effectively communicate with TradingView's support team and ensure you get your refund in a timely manner. Let's start by discussing the window of opportunity you have for refunds. TradingView offers subscriptions on both annual and 2-year plans. If you found that you've been auto-charged for one of these subscriptions, but you'd rather not continue, you've got a 14-day grace period from the automatic renewal payment date to request a refund. It's important to note that this policy applies strictly to annual and 2-year plans, not monthly ones. So make sure you're within those 2 weeks to take advantage of this option. Now, if you've purchased your subscription on the web and you need to request a refund, the first thing you should do is log into your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Help Center. Within this section, you'll want to look for the Billing section. Here, you'll typically find the resource you need to open a support ticket or directly request a refund for your subscription. It's crucial to provide any relevant details clearly to the support team to streamline the process. Once you've opened a ticket, you'll need to directly contact the TradingView support team. Be sure to explain your situation succinctly and politely. State your request for a refund. Providing as much context as possible will help them address your concern accurately and efficiently. For those who subscribe to TradingView via a mobile app, the process differs slightly. In these cases, you'll need to request your refund through the respective app store, either Google Play or the Apple App Store. This process aligns with each platform's specific refund policies, so it's essential to follow their particular instructions. It's also worth mentioning that if you decide to file a chargeback or dispute request with your payment provider, TradingView might not consider your refund request eligible, so it's always best to go through their established channels to avoid any complications. Lastly, remember that you have a couple of ways to contact the TradingView support team. You can reach out to them by sending an email or by opening a ticket via the website's support system. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that works best for your situation and ensures that your request is formally recorded. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to requesting a refund on your TradingView subscription. Grasping these steps and important considerations will put you in a great position to obtain the refund you're entitled to, hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.